Welcome to my episode of What Is It? You ever hook a fish that totally fools you? You think it's probably like a big giant something or other, and it turns out to be a little runt that somehow mutated into a giant fish? Happens to me all the time here on the Cindy May. Pretty nice to be able to just fish off your back porch here. And
oh, there's one. That didn't take long at all. Well, if that's a sunfish, it's a big one. Holy cow, it is a big one. Look at that. What a pig. Oh, God. There's a 3-pound shell cracker. Whoa.
wow, that fish is a bruiser. I bet he eats bass eggs right out of the nest without any problem. Here I am fishing in my basement. For sure.
Fish. It's on there. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Yes. He's pulling hard. Must be 4 or 5 pounder, huh? Is it? Could it be? Oh, yeah. Pull it. See it yet. Fish. What's it? Big brown bullhead. He's colorful. Let's get him up here. See if we get him done puking and pooping. There's some interesting looking fish, to say the least. Oh, he was laying on the bottom. Look at the colors on him.
Now here's a species that I don't have much experience with, though we're certainly catching a lot of them lately. I get them up to about 10 pounds here. I think it's a brown bullhead, but I'm no expert on it. Anybody know if they're good to eat or if they've ever fried one up? Internet says they're delicious. They look a little bit ugly, but they're kind of pretty in their own way, I suppose. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Now, I believe this is a black bullhead, but of course I'm not sure. You can comment down below. And don't forget, you can donate by using the super thanks button down there. Thank you, everybody.